Hey Mason,
What's up, JP?
tell me what the efficient operating range is of a refrigerant dehumidifier.
I don't know, JP. I'm sorry.
Okay, what is the definition of a class 2 water loss? What does HEPA stand for?
I don't know, JP. I'm sorry.
You need to train.
I can't do it.
Get yourself together, man!
Okay.
What is the efficient operating range of a refrigerant dehumidifier?
Sir, the efficient operating range is between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, sir.
What does HEPA stand for?
High efficiency particulate air, sir.
You made it, kid.